to the Bihar election. We have JVC Sriram here in the studio, and without any delay, JVC, let's talk about the numbers. How do you see the exit poll projections?
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to our viewers. I think, it's writing is on the wall. When we did the opinion poll, we predicted an Ang assembly, almost an Ang assembly. And RJD, Tejasvi Yadav was extremely popular because he had few percentage points over Nitish Kumar as a CM candidate. But in the last phase of the campaign, in the last leg, what we feared the most...
Those are your numbers on the street.
Exactly.
135 to 150 for the NDA.
Yeah.
88, 103 for the MGB.
Yeah. And 88 to 103, RJD is bringing in around 69 to 80 seats. What is your Congress bringing to the table? Probably, if things turn out to be, RJD could be a single largest party. And 61 seats you gave, or they contested in the name of friendly fights. Now, that's pulling you down, nothing else.
Let's bring in Dr. Rajkumar Rajan, national spokesperson of the RJD. Dr. Rajan, good evening. Welcome to our studios. ये numbers कैसे देखते हैं आप जो exit poll के numbers हैं?
देखिए प्रणेश जी, बिहार में सत्ता के खिलाफ वोटिंग हुई है, बम्पर वोटिंग हुई है। आप बम्पर वोटिंग को आप उसके इतिहास अतीत में जाकर झांकेंगे, जब भी बिहार के इतिहास में बम्पर वोटिंग हुई है, आरजेडी सत्ता में आई है। अब एग्जिट पोल में आप, मुझे नहीं पता कि आम जनता के बीच जाकर एग्जिट पोल का सर्वे किया जाता है। मुझे लगता है कि वह जो हाशिए की जनता है, जो सामाजिक न्याय को पसंद करने वाले हैं, जो सत्ता के खिलाफ वोट करने वाले
जेवीसी बैठे, उनको पूछिए कैसे किया उन्होंने।
इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि मुझे लगता है कि शायद वहां तक सर्वे नहीं जाता।
आप उनको पकड़ लीजिए, अगर उनको पूछिए।
आप देखिए एग्जिट पोल में 2004 में यूपीए गवर्नमेंट को फेल बता रहा था, एनडीए को पूर्ण बहुमत बता रहा था, फेल किया। 2015 में बिहार के इलेक्शन में आप देखे होंगे।
अच्छा चलिए, मैं समझ गया जो आप ये बोल रहे हैं। अच्छा, मेरे एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए डॉक्टर राजन, क्या वोट चोरी हुई है?
नहीं, वोट चोरी, देखिए वोट चोरी को हमने एसआईआर की प्रक्रिया का विरोध करते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाते हुए बहुत सारी प्रक्रिया को रोका, लेकिन आज भी आप देखें कि बिहार के चुनाव के संदर्भ में बहुत सारे ऐसे मतदाता थे जिनके वोट पहले ही डाल दिए गए, बाद में वोटर
तो
लिस्ट
मतलब हुई है ना, वोट चोरी हुई है
या उसका नाम लिस्ट में नहीं था, तो यह एक वोट चोरी का एक प्रारूप है तो जो बिहार के चुनाव में
तो
दिखा है।
डॉक्टर राजन, आप कह रहे हैं कि वोट चोरी हुई है वहां?
वोट चोरी का प्रारूप जो अभी तक जो दिख रहा है,
सीधा बोल दीजिए ना। हुई है,
वोट चोरी का संदर्भ है
उसमें संदर्भ और ये सब कहां है? सीधा बोलिए, वोट चोरी हुई है।
नहीं, वोट चोरी का संदर्भ इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं क्योंकि जो मतदाता सूची में बहुत लोगों का नाम नहीं है, वह एक तरह का वोट चोरी है।
ओके,
क्योंकि मतदाता सूची से उनका नाम हटा दिया गया है।
विवेक कुमार इज द स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द जन स्वराज पार्टी। विवेक कुमार जी, गुड इवनिंग। ये जो एग्जिट पोल नंबर्स हैं सर, उसके हिसाब से तो जन स्वराज एक तरह से नॉन स्टार्टर ही है।
Pranesh ji, just like no pollster could predict that what would be the voting percentage of Bihar in phase 1 and phase 2, and we have seen the voting has been unprecedented and historic to say the least. How can they predict that who will they vote for? So, these exit polls doesn't matter. These exit polls were giving 400 to NDA. We will see a magical result on 14th of November. People of Bihar who have been living in this misery, Pranesh ji, they have not been living in studios. They have been experiencing what we are talking about: unemployment, forced migration, every second child is a stunted child. They have experienced this over the last 35-40 years. We have full faith that they would take a quantum leap of faith and vote for issues that really impact their life.
ये सब बात ठीक है, मुझे स्टूडियो वाली बात खराब इसीलिए लग रही है because people who sit in studios and have debates and discussions with you, they don't actually live in studios. हम भी घर जाते हैं सर, यहाँ तो काम पे आते हैं तो स्टूडियो से काम करना पड़ता है। अरे आप तो मत बोलिए, प्रशांत किशोर तो वैनिटी वैन लेके गए थे गरीबों से मिलने। अच्छा नहीं लगता? वैनिटी वैन से एटलीस्ट जर्नलिस्ट जब जाते हैं तो वैनिटी वैन लेके नहीं जाते।
प्रणेश जी, डोंट मेक इट पर्सनल। प्रणेश जी, इसको पर्सनल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वी आर टॉकिंग वेरी सीरियस थिंग्स। आई एम परप्लेक्स दैट हाउ कम देयर ऑलमोस्ट 5 crore people have voted in Bihar.
Okay.
Tell me any one mechanism through which people are gouging that isko 30 आ रहा है,
JVC, ये
इसको
क्या
35 आ रहा है.
mechanism है? आप
Absolutely
please
not making
explain.
any
See, I think
Explain
we've
to-
explained it time and again.
I
We've
don't know,
been
1 minute. Are you not fond of Prashant Kishore? Why are you not giving him any seats?
So don't look at my poll alone. Look at all the polls. Okay, so see, let people say whatever they want to say. A few days back, Rahul Gandhi said every exit poll showed Haryana we are winning, which means he is comfortable. When the data is for you, you appreciate exit poll. When the data is against you, you thrash it. No problem. 14th
but-
will decide.
according to Vivek ji, is Jan Suraj a storm that you've not been able to, capture, assess, etc.?
Absolutely no. Jan Suraj collapsed the day Prashant Kishore decided not to contest. The expectation was he would be contesting against the Tejasvi
And
Yadav.
what happens to the Congress party here? Nikhil is not looking too pleased with the numbers.
No, you ask Nikhil, why were they fighting, having the friendly fights? RJD Tejasvi Yadav did not want to give seat in Kudumba to the Congress chief, Rajesh. And finally settlement came and gave. But today he is losing. I can give it in writing, he is
Nikhil,
losing.
do you want it in writing?
Pranesh, first of all, without intending offense to anybody, I think there is a striking problem with the way exit polls are conducted, because we are talking about an election where we are talking about a state in which the previous elections, the difference between vote share of the two alliances was 0.03%. It was 12,000 votes. Yet the margin of error and the ranges being given by every poll, I'm not talking about JVC alone, but every poll is 2%, 3% in terms of vote share. And if you look at the range that they're giving in terms of the seats, it is between 10 to 20%. An election that is so close, you cannot have ranges so big. And I really do not falter the pollsters for it, because it is a very difficult state to poll. And there are many factors that go into play. Even if you have a large enough sample size, it depends on who you are
How
asking
many
and when are
seats-
you asking
no,
them.
One
You
minute,
ask
Nikhil, this is
on a
not so much
particular
about psephologists. How many seats do you think Congress is winning?
answer. See, Pranesh, what I can tell you is something that I've been saying for the past 1 or so week. As you know, that I was in Bihar for 2 months, and what the sense that I got from speaking to local politicians across party lines and local reporters as well as national politicians and national reporters was that so far as the national level people are concerned, most of them thought that the NDA has a clear victory. But so far as the local
I asked you a
people are
simple
concerned,
question. Kitne
reporters as
seat
well as
milenge?
politicians,
Nikhil, you were in Bihar.
most of them thought
Your presence has helped the Congress party, or, will it hurt the party?
I don't know whether my presence is going to hurt or help any party, but what I can tell you is that I can only speak the numbers that I have been gauging from people who are well versed with the local, factors. And so far as the local 20 to 25
moral
for the
support
Congress
दे रहे हैं
is what
आपको
I had
डॉक्टर
been
राजन
hearing
दो
from
तिहाई
जी सरजमीन
which is
पर
completely
एक दूसरी कहानी है
Okay, गुरु
जो
प्रकाश
दिखाई
जी-
दे रहा है, जो सर्वे है उसमें अंतर आएगा। 14 तारीख को फाइनल लिस्ट आएगा,
गुरु-
2/3 बहुमत से हम लोग जीतेंगे।
गुरु प्रकाश जी, आप तो स्टूडियो में नहीं है, आप
Pranesh.
जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं, बताइए।
No, Pranesh, Pranesh, I completely sympathize with my brother Nikhil here. We have to understand that before joining your show, in fact, I'm surprised why are you not running that news? Shakeel Ahmed, the former Union Minister of Home Affairs from the Congress party, he has resigned half an hour ago. Such a senior Congress leader who has been one of the very strong pillars of the Congress party, a 5-time MLA, a member of parliament for multiple times, he has just resigned. Shakeel Ahmed. And this is the state of affairs in the Congress party. I was listening to the observation of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. We have to realize, ये गरीबों की बात कर रहे थे, हाशिए की बात कर रहे थे, किस गरीब और हाशिए की चिंता की आपने? बेचारे मुकेश सहनी के खिलाफ तो आपने उम्मीदवार उतार दिया, शरद यादव जी के बेटे को टिकट नहीं दिया, टिकट किसको दिया? शहाबुद्दीन के बेटे को दिया, ओसामा को आपने टिकट दिया, तो ये आप संकेत दे रहे थे। This was a clear cut messaging from the Indian Alliance and the
आपके जो
Rashtriya Janata
संगठन,
Dal
आपके
that
पार्टी
even if you come even close
एनडीए का जो
proximity to power,
पार्टी
close
है,
proximity to
आनंद
power,
सिंह
मैं
को
आपके
टिकट
बीच
दिया
में
तो
नहीं
उसके
बोल
बारे में
रहा
क्या
था,
कहेंगे?
अरे व्याकुल मत होइए, मैं आपके बीच में नहीं बोल रहा था सर। क्या व्याकुलता है सर?
व्याकुलता इसलिए है कि क्योंकि आप जो आरोप लगा रहे हैं तो अपने तरफ दर्पण में देखना चाहिए। दर्पण में साफ अपना चेहरा दिखाई देगा।
प्रणेश ऐसा है, प्रणेश आप उनसे बुलवा लो, मैं नहीं बोलता हूं ऐसे।
नहीं, बोलिए, आप बोलिए।
प्रणेश आप उनसे बुलवा लीजिए। मुझे लगता है कि 14 तारीख को दूध का दूध पानी का पानी, 14 तारीख को दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
दूध का दूध पानी का पानी। करण, डोंट हैव मच टाइम, बट JVC
होगा जो 400 पार का नारा दिया था और रिजल्ट आने के बाद
अरे
240
डॉक्टर
पर अटक
राजन,
गए।
अभी आप बोल रहे थे वोट चोरी पे, आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, उनको तो बोलने दीजिए। करण, 30 seconds प्लीज।
No, Pranesh, it is a complete capitulation by the opposition. Look, Bihar wasn't in the best of health. Yes, Bihar has made improvement, but the complete show put up by Tejasvi is a huge disappointment. Yes, 2 months back they were in with a chance, but the way they completely fell apart, right from Prashant Kishore to Tejasvi, it's bad for our democracy because yes, good options, good opposition is needed there, but they completely fell apart. And because Nikhil has been to Bihar, I feel Nikhil is a massive crowd puller. And I believe that if Nikhil factor, if it comes to the fore, it's good for the BJP and I see the NDA.
Has it pulled the crowd away from the party? That I don't know. ये crowd pull कौन से direction में किया है? We'll wait for the 14th. Nikhil, it's okay to sometimes take a joke. It's okay. Don't always take things too seriously. When you have to, then you don't answer my questions. But gentlemen, thank you for joining us. Let's see whether these numbers hold. JVC, your credibility is on the line.
Mr. Pranesh, every time you put the same question to me, let me tell you, this is the lowest number I'm giving. If NDA crosses 157, then nobody knows what is the limit.
चलिए सर, मुझे मत अटैक कीजिए, देखेंगे 14 तारीख को क्या होता है. Thank all of you viewers. Let's see whether these numbers hold up or not. Thank you for joining us. Navita Kumar with the news hour on the other side.